Hello everyone, and welcome to To Online Ambassador Platform. My name is Aegis Michael. Based on popular demands, I have decided to take on a weekly journey through embarking on a quest to unveil tips and tricks of content management system. Area of focus is WordPress. I'm talking about the tools, effective usages, easy processes through starting your journey as a newbie and getting to understand every aspect of developing your own website effectively and efficiently, to growing your skill by learning new tricks and learning new ways to becoming a pro in the ICT industry. I would like to use this time out to say a big thank you for all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and if you are yet to, please do so now because every week I will be dropping videos not just on tutorials but on special request from all of you who are my subscribers and my students from around the globe who attending my ICT training both live and online to take the step further. I will display my email and my phone number both on the screen and on the description below. Ask and send any question and I will try and make a respond video to your challenge, or better still on the comment below you can drop your questions and advice. So until I come your way soon, please don't forget to subscribe, share and give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure you click on the bell by the side of the subscription button so you don't miss out of any of my videos. I still remain your one and only Aegis Michael, aka ZA Online Ambassador, aka ZA Head Boy of Breckheat family. Bye for now.